Good morning, guys. I hope we're all sparkly. When you're trying to establish a diagnosis of testosterone deficiency, you need two confirmed low readings. Why? Firstly, to make sure the first one was not erroneous, but secondly, and perhaps more importantly, testosterone deficiency is a chronic disorder. So you don't want to rush into the diagnosis of testosterone deficiency. So your second sample should be 4 or more weeks from your first one. What you should be trying to do is actually prevent yourself from needing TRT in that 4 or more weeks. Because TRT is a commitment. It is a lifelong therapy. So it is not a flippant decision to say, I'm going to jump on TRT. It should be a considered decision. So that first test should surely be a comprehensive blood package to establish not only your testosterone level, look at your pituitary profile, look at your thyroid hormones, look at your micronutrient status, and look at other things that may be influencing your sense of well-being. You should then speak to a clinician who's going to advise you what you can potentially do to stop yourself from needing TRT. Shock horror, TRT doctor does not want to put you on TRT unnecessarily. Why? Because if you go on TRT unnecessarily, you won't really feel the benefits of TRT. Because it isn't magic. It isn't going to make you into Superman. It's going to make you normal. So if you could have done that naturally, you're actually going to have to do that anyway to feel the benefits of TRT. So as I say all the time, look at stress, sleep hygiene, diet and training, rinse and repeat. Your first sample and your second sample needs to be a fasted sample, so nothing to eat before the test. You do need to drink water, plenty of water, and stay hydrated. That is essential. But do not have anything to eat because that can artificially lower your levels. Your levels also need to be measured in the morning between 7 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Why? Because essentially you are trying to see how effective your HPG axis is in producing testosterone overnight. Because as you guys know, your anabolic processes predominate overnight. Catabolism predominantly is in the daytime, and that is going to lower your testosterone level. So we don't want to do that. We want to see how effective you are at producing testosterone, so your measurements must be early morning in a fasted state. Not as some clinics say, do it in the afternoon, get a lower reading so we can put you on TRT. Have a big meal, let's artificially lower your levels. It is absolutely scandalous, some of the things that we hear. Because obviously, lots of people have their bloods done at other clinics, and then they come to TMHC and say, well, this clinic said that. No. What you need to do is get an accurate picture of your sense of well-being. Now, that means looking at your qualitative symptoms or lack thereof and the quantitative markers to see what you can do to improve your sense of well-being, not committing prematurely to testosterone replacement therapy. Why don't we look progressively at our health? Take responsibility. Don't listen to the bozos and earn your reward.